absolutely gorgeous day here at Stonehenge. I mean, the sky is it's cloud ridden. I mean, the sun's out, but there's a few dark ones over there, and there's a few bunching up here. Just shammy the van down because they don't hang around up here in the bloody dust that's flying. Put my solar panels in the window because I'm going walkabouts. Well, I'm going to try walkabouts. Got my backpack on, and I'm going to try the hike all the way into Larkhill to the shop because I've run out of milk, and of all things, I run out of bloody water. So I only need to last another day, so I just want enough to make a couple of cups of tea. Hark of the birds and the crunching under my feet. Yep, let's go and say hello to the GGs. Well, the horses aren't excited to see me. They haven't come over. Normally a horse will come over, but these don't. I don't know what the hell all that is on the floor. It looks like sheep's wool. But I did notice, I mean, the amount of rubbish that's lying around here up this end, and yet nobody parks up this end. Nobody does park this end. Still, only about 2 miles to go. It's another 2 mile back. Well, I'm on the way back, and Google says that was a 2 mile bloody hike. I got a backpack full of food, milk, and God knows what. Milk is heavy, but here I am, right in front of the stones. Didn't realise that when you're coming back down this road that I'm directly in line with the stones. No, well, but to carry that 2 mile, well, a mile back, no, 2 mile back, yeah. So it's a 4 mile round trip. Oh, it was bloody, well, it still is heavy. And it's taken me ages. I don't know what the time is now, because I put all the groceries on top of my phone, and my phone's in the bottom of the bag. And the good thing about it, so's me backy at the bottom of the bag as well, so I can't have a fag. Not that I want one. So, yeah, that's it. Hark of the birds. It's just so peaceful.
That was close. Blooming heck. Happened just the other day.
Fucking wanker!
So what are you doing, Kev?
Having a heart attack.
Having a heart attack.
USB sockets fit in his cupboard. Show him in the cupboard. Show Womble in the cupboard.
So we're going to use the power lead from the old
TV booster that we no longer use because we've got the Amazon Fire Sticks running through the internet, which is in this cupboard. So we're going to utilize that power, and we're going to bring a USB socket into this cupboard, all to power the camera.
Yeah, it's dark in here.
And unfortunately, because you're playing with the 12 volts, I can't put the lights on.
No. Doesn't worry me about that light, but you don't get kicked off 12 volts. But you can blow fuses.
Yeah.
That awning there make a noise on the side of the van though.
It does a bit. It's because it's so big.
Yeah.
I always like a big one.
Yeah. That's what she said. Right, so I want at least another foot on there. Look at that. Look how I dent. Look how I dent easy. Both sides. Look at that. Covered in sawdust. That's come out of my brain, that is.
He's only just started and he's moaning.
And it's already piddling out of me. That one. I want solder. Oh, I think there's just about going to be enough in there. First of all, I've got to plug that in and let it warm up. Bang!
Onto the inverter.
So that gives me a bit of power. Yeah, because all we did was cut the plug off it. Because that one, even although I carry the sockets for them, that one just isn't the right size. He's just too floppy, he'd never stay in there. Yeah. She's got a wicked sense of humour. Well, I'll tell you what I haven't done, and that's put the heat shrink on it, which I just dropped on the floor somewhere.
You had to send me this one because you didn't know this my size. Yeah, I remember that.
Good morning, Gregory.
Morning.
Hello. All right.
Hello. Hello.
So that
Because I've got to hold the two wires together, right? I've got two hands, I've got two wires, and then I've got to have my third hand on the soldering iron.
You can twist it on.
Did I take a pair of pliers with me? No, I didn't. Pointed pliers?
But you want pointy pliers?
Have you?
I might have.
You might have. Somewhere now, and I'm going to find them. Where'd I put? Oh, how about trying the cupboard?
When I first left home, because my dad was a diesel fitter.
Yeah, they changed the locks.
Mechanic. Yeah, they did. But he sent all the boys away, me and my two brothers, with a full toolkit.
Oh, right on.
You know.
Right.
And he says you'll need that.
Nah, you'll need it, but whether you can use it or not.
Yeah, I won't need it, Dad. But, you know.
I got that together. Let's see if I can melt it now. I can't quite bloody see. I think I got some up there. Let's have a bit of solder on the iron. Turn the iron over because it's the other side I've got to use. There's got to be some on there, look, because I dripped it on the ball. Without knocking it off. I think I got it. It went somewhere. Yeah. I don't want to let go until
Until you know.
Until I know for definite.
That's what the divorce lawyer said, wasn't it?
Yeah. There you go. I've already pulled the sleeve down on that one. And now I'm just, because I can't hold the torch and do that, so I get the other one, the other black one down. There he goes. And got him, got the other torch. Right, so now I can slide him over. Oh, there's that bloody sharp edge there. Come on. Oh, there's light in there anyway, in there. So yeah, there we go. You got the cable coming out. That's where it normally comes out. So it did go into this. Well, he's taking all this out and push all those back up into the ceiling because he does not use that anymore. Put it through the wall. Goes up behind. There's, if you watch my fingers, there's a hell of a lip there. Look, a good finger length depth behind there. So we've managed to put the USB socket right up behind there, and as proof goes it, the blue light's on. So we'll try a phone in a minute and plug it in and see if it works. Oh, he's got one there ready. Just unplug that. Right, I'll try and remember. The closest one is the 2 amp, and that's a 1 amp. Right.
The what?
There's 2 sockets there.
Yeah.
This one is a 2 amp, and the back one is a 1 amp.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Just to show that that's working. Yep, it's charging. Green light's on. So that's working perfect.